Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This is a video I wanted to make because it speaks the truth. If you ever truly want to make lasting change in your life, if you really want to make the money that you can make in Exitus Elite or any other affiliate business that you have come across, you have to make sure that you truly want it. You have to be able to start overcoming those things that are holding you back. Now, I always say how much I love making videos for my business and how powerful it is because people get to see me. I'm not just hiding behind a link. And a lot of people, when I say that, get really scared because they're like, I can't go in front of the camera. I can't do this. I can't do that. Get the word I can't out of your voice, out of your mind. Because once you start believing in yourself and you stop worrying what other people may think, because some people may have family members where in the past they've done an affiliate business and they say, oh, that's just a scam, that's just that. You gotta the moment I started finding success in affiliate marketing was when I stopped giving a damn what other people thought. I stopped having a fear of being in front of the camera. I started doing videos just like this that made me not to be afraid of the camera anymore. Because the more you do something, the more easier it gets. And also, whenever I do a video, I do it as if I am talking to a family member or someone I care about, which isn't far from the truth because I do care about each and every one of you that watch my videos. I want to see you guys succeed. And you're not going to succeed until you truly want it. Now, of course, you can say, oh, yes, of course I want to make a $500 commission or a $1,000 commission. In your mind, yes, you may be saying, I want to make that kind of money. But are you willing to make some changes? Are you willing to overcome fears that are holding you back from being seen and heard? That is a different thing altogether. Of course, some people just want to do something and not have to put any work into it. That's not going to happen. You have to put work into it. I consider it fun work, so it doesn't really matter to me. So yeah, you have to really want it. And you have to want to do whatever it takes to make it there. Now, Exitus Elite has a call center. It has a call center underneath and a new VSL page that talks about that call center. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, get people to call that number. Exitus Elite has a team of trained members that will close the sale for you. If they make the sale when people call, now obviously they can't make someone join, but they're going to answer all the questions that that person may have in Exitus Elite, and they're going to learn what Exitus Elite is all about. Now, I personally like to close my own sales, but if I can have the call center do it too, and I get paid for doing no work, then that's amazing because I still get 80% of the commission, and then I send 20% back to Exitus Elite so that person can get paid, which is very fair because they did all the work, they overcame all the objections and all that stuff to make sure you got your sale. So it's an 80-20 split if you go through the call center, and 100% of the commission if you make the sale yourself. But that's pretty good because if you're driving traffic to your page, whether it's the default pages in Exitus Elite or the a page that you created yourself, or the third-party pages that Exitus Elite is in partner with, get them. All those pages have your number at the bottom. So whatever it takes, put the work in, get seen, get heard, because that is a powerful way to get more people to join you, because they're seeing you. They get to know you a little bit. You're not just hiding behind a sales page. Now, if you do have sales pages, put your branding in the sales pages if you're making one. Exitus Elite has a page where you can create a bridge page, so you can say a little message before they go into the main sales page, just to introduce yourself and tell people why you love Exitus Elite, what it could or means to you, whatever it is, and just put that little message there so they get to see you. Because in the end, people join people. And I always say in all my videos, you can call me. I am here to help. Now, whether you take my advice is up to you completely. Whether you take this advice in this video, it's completely up to you. I know what works for me. I love making videos. I used to be afraid of making videos, but let this video be an inspiration to you. So, if you truly want it, you're going to do whatever it takes to make commissions for yourself. Now, you may have success overnight. You may not. Depends on how much work you put into your business. And with this new Exitus Elite call center, it's going to increase the odds of you making a commission. So, like, if the call center closed a sale for me at the G1000, I get $800 for doing no work, and $200 goes to the person who made the sale. So it's a 80-20 split. You get 80%, the call center gets 20% for making the sale for you. So Exitus Elite is one of the best opportunities out there. I have never seen anything like it in all my years. It's been running strong for 9 years. We have an owner in Paul Stevenson who really cares about the business, who wants to make sure the business is compliant with the FTC. He goes to meetings every week for the FTC to make sure we're going through all the processes to make sure we're doing the business legally. And it's been around for 9 years, and we're getting a huge update to the platform this year and into the next year. So Exitus Elite all around is a great business. But if you want to succeed in Exitus Elite, you got to lead by example. You got to learn from the successful. My philosophy is to do what the successful do, and you'll get results. But you have to do it. So, whether you're brand new or a seasoned veteran in online business, Exitus Elite is a great opportunity. We have the call center. If you're not experienced yet, the products that we sell are all educational products. So that's all I'm going to say in this video now. But at the end of this video, I will have linked one of my review videos where I go in depth on everything about Exitus Elite. So definitely check that out, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And all my links are down in the description below for you to join Exitus Elite, and my contact information as well. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.